there you go. Got all this cut off, so I'm going to make this whole pleat panel. It's got some curves in there, that some little tricky bits, but yeah, I think I can do it. So I'm going to give it a go. So I'll get some metal out, get this cut out, and try and shape it. But I've obviously got to rebuild a lot of this here. It's got to come further down, and then I'm going to try and get this bend in, which curves down, and I think it goes up at the bit at the end. So we'll see what we can do. We'll try it this way. If I can't do it that way, I'll try a different way. But then that's the plan. So let's crack on with it. Right, so this is how far we've got so far. So we've got that bit in there, as you can see, this bit here, Now we've got to put this little bit in here, but what I've done is I've squashed this with the hammer a little bit, so I've got to make that sort of indent on this new bit of panel. That's what I'm going to try and do now, but I mean, just getting there. It's pretty much the same, as you can see there. It's good, and then I'll come up and start folding this bit up and getting this lip on, and then getting the smallest cut off and cut away so it looks identical panel then. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to concentrate on this bit here, and then I'll come back down and do this bit. Right, let's crack on. So there you go, there's the new one, there's the old one. Nice little pattern made there, got everything on there, so I'm happy with that. You can see there. So I'm about to tweak it a little bit here and there, but that fits in there nice. What I'm going to do now is get this on and just get this lip made up. As you can see down there, as you can see down that bit there, I'm going to make this lip on here to match this side, so that fits in there a treat. So that's what I'm going to do now, so I'm going to crack on with that. So there you have it. That's all done. Really pleased with that. As you can see, I've got all the curves on it and that bit there. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So let's get this. I'm going to get a bit more of this done on the cut edge here, but then I'm going to get it tacked in. So get that bit done and then we can move on to the next bit. So there you have it. Cleaned all this up here, all around this area. Got that bit up there cleaned up, all down there. I've got this panel in now, all ready to just tack and get it all welded up. But yeah, it's looking good. Just got to probably cut a little bit of that to sort of get it to fit nice on that top bit there. But apart from that, it's all in there. So that's what we're going to do now. Just get cracking on with that. So that is the end of the video. Just going to show you a few bits what I've been getting hold of. The rest of the collection I need to finish off the rest of the car, so there's no excuses now. So I got that off Classic 2 Modern Car Parts from eBay. He sorted it out for me. Really pleased with the price. So that's all good, done that. The doorposts there, and the 2 seals I got off Andrew. Really appreciate that, thank you very much. And also I've got these little bits at the back which I need one of these, but I'm going to do both of them because they're pretty clean and tidy, so I'm happy with that. So thank you very much, Stephen, for sorting them out for me. And also the cross member there, which I've now got and obviously need badly because mine is completely gone and rotten. Appreciate you sorted it out for me, Craig. So yeah, that's all good. So I'm going to try and modify that to mine. And also Dave for buying me cups of coffee on Buy Me a Coffee, which is on my main page. Thank you very much for that, for your gift. Appreciate that. Thanks for all coming back and watching, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.